Finally, I'm ready to cut some trees. Oh no! Welcome to Tutti Forti Practical Repairs. Today, annoying problem, easy fix. For this repair, you will need Torx T27, maybe some pliers, small screwdriver, and of course, starter rope. On this saw, to remove this starter, you will need to remove this cover off, because there is one hidden Torx screw here. A lot of steel saws have this similar brake system, so you need to move it a little bit from the way, like this. Then you can remove starter from it. When rope breaks, that's usually the only part you need to change, but sometimes problem will be a recoil spring. We will fix recoil spring maybe in some different videos. Now we're only gonna change this rope. Let's remove this second part of the rope, if you can, but sometimes can be a little bit hard. So now we're gonna take this spring off. There is a little spring. Like this. And watch out, now your recoil spring is free, so take it like really easy, and you can see your recoil spring. Be sure to have your like safety goggles, because the spring can easily go out from here and hit you. Let's move this somewhere safe. Make sure to hold it like this, so it won't like hit you. And let's inspect this part. Now you can like really easy, like this. Don't worry if you like remove this part and you don't know where to put it back. It doesn't matter, we have two holes, you can go in either of them, like this. If you have a rope like this, you need lighter and some cloth. If you want, you can have like your gloves on, but I like to do it like this. So don't spit on it and nothing, and make sure to go outside, because there will be like nasty smoke coming from it. Let's do that with the other side also. watch your hands, like move it away from your hands. For this chainsaw, I will try to use this 3.5 millimeters rope, but maybe this one was only 3 millimeters. Maybe it's only like worn off. No, it's definitely like smaller. I will try with this bigger one. Even if we can go through this hole and here, like sometimes it won't have like enough space on this plastic for the bigger rope, but let's try it. So we need to go up here. I have this good little handle, but sometimes you can push it from the side beneath it, like this. Let's cut this. Shoo! And let's make a little notch. Make it tight so it won't undo itself. And let's check, is there enough space for it? That's alright. Let's wind it now. You need to look for this notch here on the white part, and you line it with the recoil spring down there, like this. And now there is a like tricky part. Don't do it in the wrong direction. Rope needs to go down there, like this. So your recoil spring need to go in different direction. On this saw it's right, and you can check it, like move it a little bit to the left, nothing happens, then move it a little bit to the right and it starts to recoil. But before we make tension on that recoil spring, we're gonna put everything back. So this, let's put it here. Don't forget your little washer. And now this little spring. This can be a little bit tricky. I'm not even sure, but I think it will go in this direction, like this. Then it can be a little bit tricky. Let's try it now. Wind it to the right. Yeah, it works. But don't forget to put it through this starter. And now you can put back your handle. But first let's take this rope out. Now you can check how much rope you need, like this, but it doesn't matter. We have like a longer one. Let's make a bigger like notch, but we can remove it later if we have too much rope. And now you take this part, hold it like this, and then you wind it in right direction. 4 or 5 times. You will feel like, then you hold it like this, and you take your rope from here and take it out, and you twist it like this. You can see there is like but it's not too much rope. It's not. To make sure this works, you pull on the rope. Let's cut it a little bit. Maybe like this. Let's make a regular notch. If you think you have enough rope and it won't go back like fully, you can wind it a little bit more. Let's take it like this out, then you hold it like this. Then you need to catch this from like this, and you do the same, like do it like clockwise again once, and that should be like enough. Let's check it. It's okay. Now you can put it back on your chainsaw. Make sure to hold this handle like this. And then you try it. Hold it like this and try it. That's work okay. And that's how you fix your rope. You can save yourself a little bit of money and time, and you can put everything back together, and that's it. See you guys later in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe if this helps you in any way.